Hello everyone, and today I wanted to share the new spoiler that I'm going to fit to my 535i. As you can see, this is a carbon fiber spoiler. This one is from the CS edition, which is a special edition of BMW. As you can see, it has some nice curves. Let me get a close-up. This one is made from a brand called RWCarbon. Let me get a closer look. It has a more aggressive style compared to the OEM one that I have. I'm going to be installing this spoiler in the next weeks, among other things that I have, so stay tuned for my new project. Thanks.